Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. Today's story is called Going to the Doctor. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Taylor and Sam. Sam is not feeling well, so they go to the clinic. You will learn useful English words for talking about your health. I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and listen to the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. How many times a day should Sam take his medicine? The answer is in the conversation. Please write your answer in the comments section. All right, let's start. Scene 1. Arriving at the clinic.
Here we are, Sam. This is the clinic.
Thank you for coming with me, Taylor. I really don't feel well today.
That is okay. Let's go inside and talk to the receptionist.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. My friend is sick. Can he see the doctor?
Does he have an appointment?
An appointment? What is an appointment?
An appointment is a special time to see the doctor. Did you call the clinic yesterday?
No, I didn't call. I don't have an appointment.
That is okay. We have time now. Please write your name on this paper and sit in the waiting room.
Okay. Thank you.
Scene 2. In the waiting room.
Let's sit here, Sam. The waiting room is quiet today.
Yes. I just want to go home and sleep.
I know. What are your symptoms?
Symptoms? What does that mean?
Symptoms mean how your body feels when you are sick. For example, a cough or a bad stomach. What are your symptoms?
Oh, I see. My symptoms are: my head hurts. I have a very bad headache.
A headache. That is not good. Anything else?
I feel very hot. And then I feel very cold.
You might have a fever. The doctor will check you soon.
Sam, the doctor is ready for you in room 2.
Scene 3. Meeting the doctor.
Hello, Sam. I am Dr. Green. How are you feeling today?
Hello, doctor. I feel very sick.
I am sorry to hear that. Tell me your symptoms.
I have a bad headache and I feel hot and cold.
Okay. Let me check your temperature. Please open your mouth. Your temperature is 38 degrees. You have a fever.
A fever?
Yes, a fever means your body is too hot. You also have a small cold. Do not worry, it is not too bad.
Scene 4. The doctor's advice.
What should I do, doctor?
You need to rest. Go home and sleep. Drink a lot of water.
Okay. Sleep and drink water.
And I will give you a prescription for your headache and fever.
A prescription? Taylor, what is a prescription?
A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It tells you what medicine to buy.
Oh, I understand. A paper for medicine.
Yes. Here is your prescription. Please take this to the pharmacy.
Thank you, Dr. Green.
You are welcome. Feel better soon, Sam.
Scene 5. At the pharmacy.
Here is the pharmacy, Sam. It is next to the clinic.
Good. Let's give them the prescription.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. I have a prescription from the doctor. Here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a minute.
A minute later.
Here is your medicine. This is for your headache and fever.
Thank you. How should I take it?
Take one pill 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night. Take it after you eat food.
One pill 2 times a day. After food. Got it.
That is correct. That will be $10, please.
Here is $10. Thank you.
Scene 6. Review and going home.
Are you ready to go home and rest?
Yes. But first, let me remember all the new words I learned today.
That is a good idea. What did you learn at the clinic?
First, I learned appointment. It is a special time to see the doctor, and symptoms are how my body feels, like my headache.
Yes. And what did the doctor say?
The doctor checked my temperature. I have a fever. My body is too hot.
That is right. What did the doctor give you?
He gave me a prescription. It is a paper to buy medicine at the pharmacy.
You remembered everything. Now, what did the pharmacist say?
Take one pill 2 times a day after food.
Perfect. Now let's get you home so you can rest and drink water.
Thank you, Taylor. You are a good friend.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn useful English words for talking about your health. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many times a day should Sam take his medicine? Did you get it right? Please write your answer in the comment section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.